Which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? In 1942, the 1,500-mile Alaska Highway was constructed in under 9 months, largely due to the skilled work of nearly 4,000 African-American soldiers from U.S. Army engineering regiments. The soldiers' contribution was overlooked for decades. Blink, in 2017, lawmakers declared October 25th as a day of recognition, Alaska Highway Day, for the troops who helped build this critical roadway. So looking at this text, we can see that this is a sort of chronological sequence of events, where first it highlights in 1942, the highway was constructed by 4,000 African-American soldiers, and then it highlights that the contribution of these soldiers was overlooked, and then it skips to 2017, and it highlights how the lawmakers just declared this October 25th as a day of recognition. So the proper choice here would highlight this logical sequence of events. A. Lastly. This is incorrect because lastly does not properly highlight a logical sequence of events. This suggests something else that doesn't make sense in the context of the sentence. Therefore, A is incorrect. B. Then. This seems to be the correct answer because then is properly used to highlight a logical sequence of events. And in this sentence, it would highlight how the soldiers' contribution was overlooked. But then in 2017, lawmakers declared October 25th as a day of recognition. So B seems to be the correct answer. C. Similarly. This is incorrect because similarly implies a comparison between the previous sentence and the next sentence. So this would highlight that the second sentence here, or the third sentence here, would be similar to the soldiers' contribution was overlooked for decades. But this is not the case because the third sentence here shows something contrary, where the contribution of these soldiers was recognized as lawmakers declared October 25th as a day of recognition. So because these are contrasting each other, similarly simply doesn't work. Therefore, C is incorrect. D. For example. This is incorrect because like similarly, for example would imply that this third sentence here would show an example of how soldiers' contribution is being overlooked. But because this is not the case, D is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is B.